detail up close and personal. I am underneath the Overland Bound rig. And here's what happened. Started driving down the road and started hearing this thunk, 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 thunk. And I thought, oh Lord, what did I break? And let me show you what was happening. You see this muffler? It was rubbing right there on the drivetrain. See? Watch what happened. This muffler bracket in the back came loose. Boom. Started thumping into that thing. So, here's the deal. In your Overland Bound rig, keep industrial strength zip ties. Check this out. This is what we're going to do. This is where the bracket broke, right there. I'm going to pull it over by hand. And, alright, watch MacGyver. As a kid, I'm going to MacGyver this. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see it. I have the GoPro sat on the drive shaft. I'm going to hold the GoPro in my mouth. No, I'm not. It doesn't fit. Okay. I hope you guys can see what I'm about to do here. GoPro balanced on the drive shaft. Okay. So. Now, I'm not putting the GoPro, or I'm not putting the zip tie anywhere where there's heat. It's on the bracket. So, putting it through the bracket has these handy holes, lucky me. And yes, I'm actually repairing the Overland Bound rig with zip ties. And here we go. Now, there it is. Boom. Okay, guess what? I'm going to put one more on for good measure, because I want it to last for a little while. The other thing I'm going to do is have my colleagues, Brandon and Baz, remind me to check the zip ties to make sure they're not wearing too much. And because the last thing we want is for that muffler to drop down onto the drive shaft. That would be a bad day. And it was almost a very bad day. But we caught it, and we're back on the road. Hey Brandon.
Yeah.
Can you get like a pair of clippers or something I can cut these ties with? Knife will work. Thank you, sir. Making sure I'm using the pointy end. 1, 2. All right, folks. Trail repair. Bring zip ties with you.